try on hauls always take so long. Hi everyone, it's Kezzy over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my corner. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It truly means the world to me that you wanted to come and see my videos again. So yeah, today's video is all going to be about a ZAFUL haul. So I have some pieces to show you guys. So if you want to see what I thought of the pieces, how they looked on me, because this is a try on haul, and keep on watching. And I wish to say a big thank you to ZAFUL for giving me this lovely opportunity to try other products and to a try on haul for you all. I don't know what Nemo's doing.
Anyways,
if you like any of the products, they're going to be all listed down below in my description box, so definitely check that out if you like any of the items. Let's go ahead and get started basically with the try on haul. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. I should talk about is definitely this top right here. It's just a plaid material. Now the quality of this top is super soft. It's not scratchy, it's not itchy, it's just perfect. It's just right. It's very soft and smooth. It's like gotten, you know, this quality that's going to be all warm. It's going to warm you up, and you know we need to be warm because these are the winter months. So yeah, I really like it. I really like it. I paired it with a white shirt, and on the try on haul you see me pair it as well with a black leather skirt. Absolutely love it. No complaints whatsoever, and I love the pattern of it. I love the colors as well of it, and I had to basically get it in another shade. This is the other shade that I got. I actually really like this. I feel like that this is like sort of more colorful, but then this is sort of more plain, but yes, I guess not out there as this one. But this I paired it with something else which I'll be showing you very soon. I just want to say that I love this style of plaid. It's like sort of vintage as well, I feel, and the material, I'm really surprised with the material. The material is really good. This is a size 36 and I got everything a size 36. However, I feel as though the jackets now that you will see, I would have gone up a size bigger. Yeah, I absolutely love this. So if you're looking for some new plaid additions for your closet, I would definitely recommend ZAFUL. They have plenty. If you just type in plaid, that's what I did, you'll find so many. But I feel like these are amazing. Those are the first two items that I have. The next one is something, oh my goodness, I had been seeing it on ZAFUL for so long and I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get this. This is a jacket. Now I didn't know that the inside of the jacket would be so cozy. Like literally when you touch it, it's so soft, it's so cozy, it's so big, it's really nice. I think I have to take Nemo out. I'll take her out. Give me a moment. So yeah, this is the jacket that I was talking to you guys about. It's so woolly and cozy from the inside, but then the outside is actually really pretty. I like the color of this. It's like brown orange shade, which is perfect like for the autumn. I wear it for winter. But then I like that one side of the jacket is like this. It comes with like this pattern basically, and it's really cute. It comes with a zip as well, and then sort of at the bottom it also goes in like this, so you'll have like a detailed look. Also comes with a hoodie. I really like this. You also have a pocket in here and then a pocket over here. But I love this jacket. Honestly, it has become one of my favorite winter jackets for sure. Keeps me very warm. If you're looking for a new jacket, I would definitely recommend checking out ZAFUL. They have such a variety of jackets. So the next item that we have is okay, this is another cute jacket, but this is going to be perfect for like the spring when like the weather starts changing, and because it's very light as well. I love the color of it. It's a lovely beige shade, like that stone light shade. Absolutely love it. So like it's nice material as well, not scratchy, not itchy. Again, I'm really happy with the quality of ZAFUL, and they have come a really long way. The sleeves, I like to roll them up, but they also have this cute button detail over here. You know, you pair this with like a pair of jeans and then like that white top would really look nice. I paired it with like a pink top and a pair of jeans. Absolutely love this. This will be perfect, like I said, for when sort of the weather changes. I don't have anything like this in my closet, so I'm so happy that I got this. And the buttons are really cute as well. The next thing, I basically have two more things that I want to show you. I have another jacket over here. It's very similar to the shade of the previous jacket, but this one is slightly darker. This is just like a hoodie. I would say it has this ruffle detail at the bottom because it goes in the waist. It has two pockets on the sides. You have like a hood over here. But yeah, again, this is a very light jacket, so this will be perfect again for when the weather starts changing. But I absolutely love this jacket as well. I think you need to have sort of these jackets in your closet, and pairing them with like a skirt or a jeans and a normal plain top, it would look really, really cute. This is the last thing that I got. It is a skirt. This is the pattern of it is really pretty. It's like a plain skirt, but this is like, it reminds me a lot of like Clueless. I don't know if you guys had watched the movie. It really reminds me of it, and even Mean Girls for some reason. I don't know. It's like that like preppy look that you can go for, but I absolutely love this. Fits really well as well. Absolutely love the shade, and I paired it actually with the other top, with this one, but I don't know if like it was too many patterns on one, but I think that they looked really cute together. I really like this, and it's just a really cute addition to your wardrobe for sure. Those are basically the items I wanted to show you from ZAFUL. Again, a big thank you to ZAFUL for giving me this beautiful opportunity, and if you liked any of the items, I will be listing them in my description box, so definitely check that out. Overall, I really am happy with the haul from ZAFUL. They have really come a long way. They have so many things, but their quality is really, really good. The material is not scratchy, it's not itchy, it's just perfect. I love the top I'm wearing today. So yeah, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!